Let's start session one. Thank you, viewers. I'm Boni. Today I will to share introduction Ubuntu Linux. Is a session one and first way, including the subtasks overview the Ubuntu Linux. It's a significant cybersecurity install and configuration Ubuntu Linux. Introduction to Ubuntu desktop environment. That's a three video. One video overview and a second video install and configuration of Ubuntu Linux, and third video introduction to Ubuntu desktop environment, like that. Let's start and let's go the purpose. The first thing, introduction to Ubuntu Linux. At first, some question or curious mind like that. What is the Linux? What is the significant? What is the advantage? Why use Linux, Ubuntu Linux, and a lots of OS available in the market, but why use Ubuntu Linux and Ubuntu desktop, etc. The first question: what is the Linux, or what is the Linux based security, like that? Ubuntu Linux is a popular open source operating system based the Linux kernel. It's a used to various fields, including cybersecurity due to its established security and expensive community support. Ubuntu is a no user-friendly interface. It's a main reason and making its accessibility both beginner and advanced user. Uh, Ubuntu have a true thrive OS, like that. Desktop and normal user interface and server. Uh, I will discuss some advantage why use the Ubuntu OS. It's when it's come to cybersecurity, Ubuntu Linux offer to several advantages, like that. Firstly, we are discuss the security purpose. Ubuntu is a design with security in mind. It's benefit from the robot security feature, the Linux kernel, such as user permission, file encryption, shorts remote access, and built-in firewall protection. Ubuntu also provides regular security update to address vulnerabilities and protection against various threats. Second motive, piracy. Piracy is the most important. Ubuntu respect user piracy and provide the control over data and system setting. It's don't collect personal information. Ubuntu never collect personal information and data tracking, making stable choice for the individual and organization connection about privacy, always maintain and protect. The thirdly, we are discuss the advantage software responsible. Ubuntu offer best software responsible, as the Ubuntu Software Center. The repository continuously thousands of free and open source software application, including security tool. Use cybersecurity. Not only cybersecurity, is the more various have a lots of software application. It simplifies the process of finding, installing software, ensuring easy access to essential security tools. The last I will discuss the community support. It's a big opportunity for the Ubuntu user. Ubuntu has a large and active community users and developers. This community provides expensive support thought forum, documentation, and online resource, have available course, videos, and like that. In the cybersecurity domain, its support can be particularly variable for sharing knowledge, troubleshooting issues, and learning from expensive professional. Then the main reason, and I will discuss and some feature why use the another question, why use the Ubuntu desktop, Ubuntu desktop, why use, why important? There are several reasons now why might choose the Ubuntu desktop environment. Firstly, user friendly interface, stability and reliability, extensive software support, security and community, open source. Overall, Ubuntu desktop environment offered to the contribution user-friendly, stability, security, software support, and customized option, making it a popular choice both casual and professional user. Thank you. See you again another video. How to install Ubuntu desktop in virtualization, in VirtualBox, VMware on another platform. Thank you. Thank you all. I think I enjoyed the course.